Hello everyone, I'm happy to see you here once again. The educational series has provided an informative and useful video about group life insurance. Here, we will try to cover all about group life insurance, including what is group life insurance, benefits of group term life insurance plans, features of group life insurance policy and drawback of group life insurance plans, and much more. For your kind information, this series has been made only for educational purpose. For any doubt, you can use the comment section. We will try our best. Let's get right to the topic without wasting any time. What is group life insurance? Group life insurance is a type of life insurance in which a single contract covers the lives of a large number of people at the same time. It is common for an employer or a legal entity such as a labor organization to be the policy owner, with the policy covering the employees or members of that group. In many cases, group life insurance is included as part of a comprehensive employee benefits package. It is common for group coverage to be significantly less expensive than what employees or members would have to pay for a comparable level of individual protection. When offered group life insurance through your employer or another organization, you should typically accept it. This is especially true if you do not have any other life insurance or if your personal coverage is insufficient. Employers or other entities that own insurance policies, also known as master contracts, retain ownership of the actual insurance policy itself. All those who are covered are typically issued a certificate of insurance, which serves as proof of coverage but is not the actual insurance policy itself. Choosing a beneficiary for group life insurance is similar to selecting a beneficiary for other types of life insurance. In the world of group life insurance, term insurance is the most common type. Term life insurance for groups is typically provided in the form of yearly renewable term insurance policies for the group. It's common for your employer to cover the majority, and in some cases all, of the premiums for group term insurance offered through your company. You can typically expect to pay 1 or 2 times your annual salary in premiums for medical insurance. When your employment is terminated or the specific term of coverage expires, your group term insurance coverage continues to be in effect. If you decide to leave your job, you may be able to convert your group health insurance to an individual policy. The majority of people, however, choose not to do so because the conversion premiums are typically much higher than the premiums for comparable policies available to the general public. A conversion option is typically used by those who would otherwise be unable to obtain insurance. Benefits of group term life insurance plans. Term life insurance plans for groups provide several advantages to employers and employees alike. Here are some examples. 1. Insurance protection in the event of a default. In exchange for simply belonging to the same organization as the group, members are covered by an insurance policy. Individuals who do not have a personal life insurance policy are covered by this basic insurance. 2. Funding for gratuities. It is made easier for employers to prepare for their future gratuity obligations towards their employees by providing them with a systematic method of doing so. A group insurance policy assists employers in this endeavor, as well as in providing life insurance coverage to their employees, with greater ease and convenience. 3. Tax advantages. Both employers and employees can benefit from group term life insurance plans because of the tax advantages they offer. Furthermore, group insurance plans are twice as effective as individual insurance plans in terms of employee well-being and retention of key employees. 4. Employees' needs can be met through customization. Additional benefits such as education allowance, repatriation allowance, accidental death, and others can be added to a group insurance policy to provide a comprehensive package of benefits in addition to the base policy. 5. No medical examinations are provided. With the help of group term insurance plans, employees can avoid the hassle of going through medical examinations. 6. It is economically viable. Given that a group plan covers a large number of people, the premium for a group policy is significantly lower than the premium for a single policy. An unquestionably better way to obtain insurance protection against multiple risk factors, let alone life, is through the purchase of a group insurance policy, or group health insurance. To begin, determine which group plan is most appropriate for your needs. Features of group life insurance policy. A contract that serves as the foundation for all subsequent contracts. An insurance policy for group life is one that is offered to employees by default, regardless of whether or not they have their own insurance policy. In a master contract, an organization purchases a master policy whose premium is determined by the number of members and the amount of the sum assured that the company has determined. A proportionate effect of the premium is seen in the number of members. Increases in the number of members correspond to increases in the premium rate, and vice versa. If, on the other hand, the insurer receives any excess premium amount, it promptly reimburses the organization in question. How the master contract operates is as follows. Contributory and non-contributory. It is possible to set up a group life insurance policy in two ways, as a contribution-based plan or as a non-contribution-based plan. Employees make a financial contribution to the policy by paying a portion of the premium, and their employers cover any remaining expenses. Employers are fully responsible for the premium in the latter case. Affordable. A group life insurance policy is less expensive than individual coverage. This is due to the fact that the insurance company can group together various expenses such as administration, operation, and renewal under a single master policy to reduce costs. Drawbacks of group life insurance plans. A group life insurance policy is offered by some employers that covers only the employees who participate in the policy. You and your spouse and children are not covered under the policy. In such a case, it is necessary to reevaluate the policy in order to be able to purchase a separate insurance policy that protects your dependent relatives. Group life insurance policies are in effect for as long as you are employed by the organization. When you leave or quit your job, your insurance coverage comes to an end. A number of public sector employers continue to provide insurance coverage even after an employee has left the company. The provision of group life insurance to employees is one of the most significant benefits that employers can provide, as it helps to retain employees for a longer period of time. The insurance coverage, on the other hand, should not be relied upon solely because it may be insufficient to cover you, your spouse, and your minor child. For this reason, it is always recommended that you purchase a separate family insurance policy that will provide you and your family with additional benefits and protection. Finally, in this whole series, we discussed about group life insurance, including what is group life insurance, benefits of group term life insurance plans, features of group life insurance policy and drawback of group life insurance plans, and much more. Hope you understand and found the series more informative and useful. Thanks for joining us. Hope you have a beautiful day.